breakup point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well?
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Tracks.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
All the way.
Alter! Alter! Was das nicht?
We got the generator.
Wow!
We get that all the time.
Alter!
We're here. It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, blink your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long. My world would have been perfect.
Was das denn?
It's Epcot. Epcot.
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Welcome back to Epcot. Please gather all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper.
Wie gut ist das denn bitte?
For your service.
Schon wieder zittern die Knie. Ja. Wie lange man ist? Was ist denn los mit dir?